Wait, may bago sa Malaking. Bukod sa hotpot, meron na rin silang Shawko Barbecue with almost 20 kinds of skewers to choose from. And if you're a barbecue lover, good luck sa pagpili. First stick ang Shawko dito, so mix and match lang, depende sa cravings mo. Personally, bet na bet ko yung beef enoki, grilled shrimp, and wagyu beef. And look at that grill. Tapos may dip pa na ang sarap, kaya parang kulang talaga ang Shawko kapag walang sausawan. Pero syempre, hindi kumpleto ang Malaking experience without their premium hotpot. You can build your own hotpot with your choice of veggies, noodles, meats, and seafoods per gram ang charge, then sila nang bahala magluto for you. Alam niyo ba ang kakaiba dito? May pa-free taste sila sa lahat ng broth, kaya naman, sure kang personal choice mo ang orderin mo. And for the broth, may 7 choices and I tried their Mala Original. Level 1 lang sa spice dahil sakto lang sa akin yung anghang. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. And don't forget the hot pot dipping sauce. Kasi let's be honest, mas masarap talaga ang hot pot kapag may sausawan. By the way, I was there sa grand opening nila sa Ayala Malls Feliz and I heard may bagong laksa soup din. So mukhang may reason na naman ako para bumalik. O paano, uulitin ko ha, available na ang Shawko Barbecue at Malaking Ayala Malls Feliz and Arcovia City. Again, Team Shawko ko ba o Team Hotpot? Bakit ka pa mamimili? Tara na sa Malaking!